Need reliable architectural drafting or building information modeling support in Georgia? At LynxPros, we help architecture and interior design firms meet deadlines without burning out their in-house teams. Our architectural outsourcing services in the state of Georgia, they deliver fast, precise support in Revit, AutoCAD, and more. From interior layouts and construction sets to full architecture coordination. We're the remote drafting partner trusted by firms across the state, with many established clients in Atlanta and Athens. We specialize in architectural documentation, permit-ready drawings, interior detailing, and clash detection in BIM. With experience in residential, commercial, industrial, institutional, government, and healthcare sectors, we help you scale your workload affordably without compromising quality. Let's simplify your drafting process. Visit LynxPros.com to get a free quote and see how easy it is to scale smarter with LynxPros.